Okay, so today we are covering how to get something from a strange form we're not used to, it's called standard form, into the form we're used to, which is like this, y equals 5x minus 4. That's called slope intercept form. We're trying to get these into slope intercept, so that means solve for y. And so it says that right in the directions in parentheses, solve for y. That's why, to get it alone, I'm going to start. What do you think, K.A.? Nope, but you could tell me verbally. I'm trying to record the video, so I need this to go smoothly. Minus 4x is correct, sir. And then these cancel. Negative 2y equals negative 4x plus 6. Could I have written 6 minus 4x? Yes, but it's better to put the 4x first, because that's the way our form always has the x's always first in the form that we're used to. All right, so big D, what do you think comes next? Well, it's better than heavy D. That's a whole different thing. Divide by negative 2 is correct, sir. All right, so these cancel. And I get y equals, now let's see, this is going to be complicated. I have a negative 4 divided by a negative 2. Positive 2, very good. He's good. And then how about 6 divided by negative 2? Negative what? Negative 3 is correct. And then why did I do that? Because now I know the slope. Miss SF, what is the slope? 2. And what's that other thing? It's the negative 3. What is it? The y-intercept. Very good. That's why we did this, because now we know the slope of the y-intercept. Cool. I think you're catching on. Now, I want to warn you about number 6. Number 6 is evil. 6 is evil incarnate. Now, we're not just going to skip it because it's evil, but I'm going to ask you to remember something. Do you remember me saying that if we got rid of the fractions, that life would be easier? What could we do to this one that would get rid of the fraction? Multiply by what? False. One of you was right. 4. Because the denominator would disappear that way. So you multiply number 6 by 4. Oh, okay. You're right. On number 5, it would have been a 2. I was doing number 6. I want you to do number 5. I'm doing the more complicated one. I'm giving you the easier one. So look at number 6. I just said on that one to get rid of the fraction by multiplying by the denominator. And that means I'm going to multiply everything by 4. Now, I hate to say it, but this one gets icky, because I don't know what 16 times 4 is off the top of my head. Can anybody do that in their head? 64. 64. 64 is correct. Good. Thank you. And then, why did I even do this? So that these 4's would cancel, and now I don't have a denominator anymore. Mr. WT, can you do this part? What is 4 times negative 6? Close. Negative 24. All right. And now, it's like all the other problems. We're in the first place, where you got to get the y alone, so it's still got 2 steps. So how do you fix it when there's a fraction? You multiply by the denominator all the way through it. Okay, like I just did. You multiply by 4 here and here and here. That's how you get rid of, you find the denominator and you multiply by it through the whole thing. I would like to do one more off the back of the worksheet. Would you please turn it? And let's do the very last one, because everybody else thinks those are so scary. What? All right, I will leave it up there a second, and I will draw on the same page. It's okay. It's okay. I'll do number 12 on the same page. I think that'll work. Negative 3x minus 2y equals 12. All right, next. I'm going to get, okay, I'm pausing for, all right. So I'm going to try to get this y alone right here. Number 12 is a normal one. Don't have to like deal with fractions or anything. So TW, step up. What do you think is first? Get rid of You are correct. How do I get rid of the negative 3x? False. Add 3x. Okay, then I got negative 2y equals 3x plus 12. Okay, and then it's really close to done. And I don't want to do that much of your homework, so I'm going to leave it for you to finish. Same with number 6. You can finish that. You can finish this just by doing a little dividing, and you'll have it. And that's all I've got for the new stuff for today.